In this quick video, I'll show you how to change the alarm sound on your iPhone. First, open the clock app. At the bottom left, tap on alarms. You'll see all your set alarms here. I have two. One is for 7 a.m. every day. Let's say I want to change the sound for that one. Tap on the alarm and you'll see options to adjust the date, repeat settings label, and sound. Tap on sound and you'll see the current sound, which is set to reflection. Now you can scroll through the list of available sounds. For example, you can go back to the default sound or choose something like classic, which honestly is a bit much. Or you can go for something a little more chill, like blues. Let's choose blues, then hit save to confirm. However, here's the downside. If I go back to edit the other alarm, say the 1 a.m. one, it defaults back to the original sound. Unfortunately, there's no way to set a default alarm sound for all alarms at once. So, if you have multiple alarms, you'll need to change each one individually. Tap on the alarm, select a new sound, and hit save. Additionally,